Feel a difference?
Oh yeah. It's a slight tap and it like flies already. That's crazy.
Here, let's try it while we're on gear already, on race mode. What's up guys, it's Eric from B-Side. Today I'm going to be installing the Shiftpower Throttle Response Controller on this Scion FR-S. This beautiful looking vehicle over here. It's going to be a super easy install. Probably just take about 5 minutes. Let me just show you how it's done, how easy it is, and how you can make your car accelerate faster in just minutes. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to grab the key, we're going to lock the car, and we're going to unlock it. Basically what that does is put the car electronics to sleep. And I'm going to grab our kit over here, our beautiful Shiftpower Throttle Response Controller. Walk over here. Okay. Open the car. And we are going to locate the acceleration pedal right here. Alright. Okay, and then if you look up, we will find a connector up here that is connected behind the pedal. Alright, so the connector is right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and it looks like the release tab is on the inside towards the center. You're gonna stick your hand here. It's basically gonna push on the release tab and pull up. There it is, right there. Alright, next time we're gonna do is go ahead and open this package. Alright, let me undo this wire tie. Alright, and then we are going to just daisy chain this. Okay, so the connector part that was connected to acceleration pedal will connect to this female connector, and this male connector here will connect to the acceleration pedal. And then we also have this over here. This is for your button. Okay, here's the button. Alright, we'll grab this. Okay, then let's grab this. And let's go ahead and daisy chain it together. Alright, and the male side will connect to the acceleration pedal. Alright, so that's it. Oh, now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and tuck this in, use the supply zip tie, just make sure it's out of the way, away from your pedal, and we're going to find a nice mounting point for your switch here. Alright, so we went ahead and mounted. Let me show you what we did. Okay, so that's our harness. Went ahead and zip tied it right there. And then we went ahead and routed the cable this way. Okay, it goes here, goes behind this panel. You could just pull on this and it'll come out. Okay, and then we route it right here. So the cable goes through here. I'm gonna put it here, and then we're gonna double-sided tape it right there. Alright, so from the driver's point of view, it's right here. It's a better location than here because it's kind of hard to see. Okay, and after you have this connected, all you have to do is turn on the vehicle, go to the user's manual, and find the Bluetooth pairing information. We're going to pair it to the phone. So we're in the car. You want to go ahead and download the app. It's called Shiftpower by Favtech. And after you do that, go ahead and click on that car button right there. Okay. And then you want to connect to the device. It's going to ask you for a password. The password is going to be listed here. And then go ahead and press the pair button. And then just give it a moment. Okay, Scion FR-S 2016. Alright, 2013. Let's go ahead and accept that. Alright, and then now we are live. So we can control this in two ways. Every time you press this button, it's going to jump to different modes. Or you could go ahead and press this mode here. If you like something in between, you could go ahead and just drag your hand between. And then if you found the setting that you like between it, then you could go ahead and change your presets by going here, go to most settings, and then you could change your presets. Just drag your finger across to whatever you like. And then these are 3 different acceleration curves. I recommend starting at exponential. That's the most mild. Linear is it's a little bit touchy, so try exponential. There's some other settings that you guys could play with. We also have for this one eco mode. So right now gas prices are super high. If you want to save some money, press eco mode and you could adjust how aggressive you want the eco mode to be. And you can also put it on valet mode here. Basically valet mode when you're valeting your vehicle, so they cannot floor and just launch your vehicle. It's gonna restrict the amount of acceleration that they could give to the vehicle. And you can also lock your throttle. All right, so try pressing the acceleration pedal. Yeah, so nothing's gonna happen in your car even though you press on the acceleration. That's for additional theft deterrent, just in case if you're parked somewhere that's a little bit like a little shady area. So that's it. Let's go ahead and go for a test drive, and then we'll maybe get some reaction from Jose. All right, so we're gonna start at sport mode here. So you could already tell a difference?
Oh yeah, very. Oh, big time. Slightly tapping it. Wow, it's crazy.
So let's put it down to dynamic mode for now, just until you get used to it. Feel a difference?
Oh yeah. It's a slight tap and it like flies already. That's crazy.
Here, let's try it while we're on gear already, on race mode.
Wow, this is sport mode? Nice.
Yeah, it's the race mode.
Oh, race mode.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh yeah, I can see myself doing this on the drag strip for sure.
And it'll make a U-turn here. I'll put it down to dynamic for the U-turn, so you won't be doing donuts.
Yeah, exactly. So delicate. So just the slightest touch, you just go flying.
Yeah. How do you like the new acceleration?
Oh, I love it. Great addition.
Alright guys, well this concludes our little installation demonstration of our Shiftpower Throttle Controller on this 2013 Scion FR-S. Same part is compatible with all the other Toyota 86 and Subaru BRZ models all the way to 2022. So very excited about this product and what it does to cars. Give it a try. If you have any additional questions, leave a comment below, or you can email us at info@bsonikusa.com. And if you haven't yet, help us by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Thank you very much.